My name is Siva.P. I'm so happy for this training. I've seen that it's free. The training is free. I came here with severe migraine, and right now I am off all that. And I also came with severe heart pain, and after the training and how we were taught,
removing the dark energy.
after removing the dark energy, everything, I am perfectly okay now. And I've also seen so many persons testify here. I have seen so many training on other people. So I am glad for this training, that it is free. And I want to say thank you to the organizers of this program. Thank you.